mean, something like that could level something.
That's what I said, whatever's on that train.
I don't know if it's a train or...
But they said the train derailed and ran into that building.
Right in the window, see, they're getting explosions, man. So you don't know what's on that thing.
A freight train carrying chemicals has derailed and crashed in Baltimore. The train struck a truck northeast of the city, injuring the truck driver and sparking a massive fire. Around 15 carriages derailed and caught alight, sending a thick plume of black smoke into the air.
Fire department folks have not ordered any evacuation. We have, as a precaution, through reverse 911, requested individuals who are within a 20-block radius just to stay out of the area. Obviously, this at all.
The driver is currently in a serious condition. 2 other workers on the train were unhurt.